Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the cozy world of IKEA's latest autumn collection, Höstagille. In this video, we'll take a closer look at 26 fabulous Höstagille products, from decorative trays and scented candles to practical kitchen accessories and storage solutions. So, grab a cup of your favorite fall beverage, sit back, and let's get started. 1. Höstagille bowl with lid, 712, 19 cm. Overview. The Höstagille bowl with lid is a versatile and practical kitchenware item. Crafted from durable stoneware in a warm brown hue. 2. Höstagille wire basket, 21.5.897-8, 55.525 cm. Overview. The Höstagille wire basket is both a stylish and functional storage solution. Made from sturdy black metal, it measures 21.58 by 978 inches. 3. Höstagille decorative tray, 19.48 cm. Decorative tray is a versatile accessory that enhances your home decor. Made from lightweight yet durable material, it features a design with mixed autumnal colors, adding warmth to any setting. 4. Höstagille bowl, 712, 19 cm. Overview. The Höstagille bowl is a practical and stylish piece of dinnerware. Made from durable stoneware, this 712-inch bowl is perfect for serving soups, salads, or cereals. 5. Höstagille artificial garland, 414 yard, 3.9 meters. Overview. The Höstagille artificial garland brings the beauty of autumn indoors with its mix of realistic synthetic foliage in warm autumnal colors. This garland is perfect for decorating mantels, doorways, or staircases. 6. Höstagille scented candle in glass, 2 wicks, 40 HR. Overview. The Höstagille scented candle in glass is designed to create a cozy atmosphere in your home. With 2 wicks for an even burn, this candle offers a pleasant fragrance that lasts up to 40 hours. 7. Overview. Add a splash of color to your table with the Höstagille side plates, featuring wavy edges and mixed colors. Measuring 7 inches, these versatile plates are perfect for everything from desserts and side dishes to quick snacks. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, they're practical for both everyday use and special occasions. 8. Höstagille platter with stand, 11, 28 cm. The Höstagille platter with stand is an elegant serving piece ideal for displaying cakes, pastries, or appetizers. Made from durable stoneware with a sturdy stand, this 11-inch platter features a raised edge to keep food in place. 9. Höstagille pie plate, 13, 33 cm. The Höstagille pie plate is a must-have for baking enthusiasts. This 13-inch plate, made from high-quality stoneware, ensures even baking and features a fluted edge for a decorative crust, ideal for pies, quiches, and tarts. 10. Höstagille baking dish, 21/12, 53/30 cm. The Höstagille baking dish is a versatile and durable cookware piece, perfect for baking and roasting. Measuring 21/12 inches, it features wide handles for easy carrying and deep sides to prevent spills. 11. Höstagille gravy boat, 17 Oz, 0.5 L. Overview. The Höstagille gravy boat is an elegant addition to your tableware, perfect for serving gravies, sauces, and dressings. Made from durable stoneware, it holds up to 17 ounces and features a spout for easy pouring. 12. Höstagille storage box with lid, set of 2. Overview. The Höstagille storage boxes offer practical and stylish storage solutions. This set of 2 boxes is made from sturdy material and comes in neutral tones that blend with any decor. 13. Höstagille throw, 47x71, 120-180 kin. Overview. The Höstagille throw is a cozy and stylish addition to your home, perfect for chilly evenings. Made from 100% cotton, this 47x71-inch throw offers softness and breathability. 14. Höstagille cushion cover, 20x20, 50x50 cm. Overview. Elevate your home decor with the Höstagille cushion cover, measuring 20x20 inches. Crafted from durable fabric in autumnal colors and patterns, this cover adds both style and comfort. 15. Höstagille cushion cover, 20x20, 50x50 cm. Overview: transform your living space with the Höstagille cushion cover, available in various autumn-inspired designs. At 20x20 inches, this cover is made from sturdy fabric and includes a hidden zipper for effortless removal. 16. Höstagille dish towel, 18x24, 45-60 cm, 2-pack. Overview: the Höstagille dish towels are essential kitchen accessories that combine practicality with style. Made from 100% cotton, these 18x24-inch towels are absorbent and durable. 17. Höstagille pot holder, 8A08, 20x20 cm, 2-pack. Overview: the Höstagille pot holders are essential tools for safe kitchen handling. Made from heat-resistant cotton, these 8x8-inch pot holders protect your hands from hot surfaces. 18. Höstagille oven mitt. Overview: the Höstagille oven mitt is a practical and stylish kitchen accessory designed to protect your hands while handling hot dishes. Made from heat-resistant cotton, it features autumn-inspired designs and includes a loop for easy storage. 19. Höstagille paper napkin, 13x13, 33x33 cm, 30-pack. Overview: the Höstagille paper napkins are an easy way to add a festive touch to your dining table. This pack of 30 napkins is made from high-quality, absorbent paper and features autumn-inspired designs. 20. Höstagille artificial wreath. Overview: bring warmth to your home with the Höstagille artificial wreath, featuring a natural-colored design perfect for any setting. Ideal for hanging on walls, doors, or windows, or as a centerpiece on your dining table. This wreath adds a cozy, autumnal touch that lasts year after year. 21. Höstagille tea light holder black, 4. Overview: create a cozy ambiance with the Höstagille tea light holder. This sleek black holder casts decorative shadows and a warm glow, perfect for brightening dark autumn evenings. The intricate glass pattern enhances the tea light's light. 22. Höstagille scented candle in glass, sandalwood and patchouli orange, 20 HR. Overview: embrace a soothing ambiance with the Höstagille scented candle. Infused with the calming scents of sandalwood, patchouli, and fir with a touch of citrus, this candle creates a serene, nature-inspired atmosphere at home. 23. Höstagille wine glass, gray, 15 Oz. Overview: elevate your dining experience with the Höstagille gray wine glass. Its classic design, featuring grooves that interact with light, adds sophistication to both everyday meals and special occasions. Durable and dishwasher safe. 24. Höstagille glass, gray, 10 Oz. Overview: add a touch of elegance to your table with the Höstagille gray glass. Its classic design and light interplaying grooves make it ideal for both everyday use and festive gatherings. This durable dishwasher-safe glass is perfect for any beverage. 25. Höstagille scented candle in metal cup, sandalwood and patchouli, copper color, 17 HR. Overview: create a calming retreat with the Höstagille scented candle in a stylish copper metal cup. Infused with sandalwood, patchouli, and fir with a hint of citrus, this candle adds a natural touch to your space. 26. Höstagille tablecloth, floral pattern multicolor, 57 and 94. Overview: brighten up your autumn gatherings with the Höstagille tablecloth. Featuring a vibrant floral pattern with rose hips and blooming roses, this pure cotton tablecloth is perfect for adding a cozy and colorful touch to your dining table. And there you have it. 26 wonderful products from Ikea's Höstagille collection to help you embrace the autumn season in style. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and product reviews. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!